and wife. Ako sila pagpapagod. So in behalf of the state, and in behalf of the community, I wish you good luck and God's blessings. Sir Eliezer, I'm a Muslim. I wish you good health. I wish you a lasting marriage. I wish you true happiness while you enjoy yourselves as husband and wife. Of course, the members of the community present today, please accept Eliezer and Muslim as new members of your community. Continue to show them your love, your care, concern, and everything for the betterment of their lives as a living with his wife. So the ceremony is ended. Sir Eliezer and Muslim, naman ang seremonya. It was a very simple, memorable, yet elegant ceremony. Before you go, kung simbahan ka, nangalawat mo nun. Wala. My part is done. It's now your turn to do your part and have the first ever legal kiss to each other.
Legal lang.
Happy marriage ya.
10 seconds. Make a kiss. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, at the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ulo ba?
Oh, siya.
Once again, let's congratulate and let's give a hand to our newly wedded couple, Mr. Eliezer and Mrs. Roslyn Pagaran. Ayan. Hindi na lang po tawag ng lim si ma'am kay finally. Pagaran na kin siya karon. Lim Pagaran. Ayan. And with that, as we proceed to our photo opportunity before we proceed to our reception celebration, I am requesting, sige, busy pa siya sila permanently. We would like also to thank and acknowledge our judge, the officiating minister, karon atong palakpakan si Judge Jimmy Buko. Ayan, thank you so much for your time, for sharing the word of God also. Dili lang ang newly wedded couple ang na-bless, pati kami. With that, I am requesting the couple to please stand, and I am requesting our official photographer, Kuya, official photographer na siya katalon, sir. And I am requesting Ma'am Feb, one assistant daw, para magpaprama sa inyo. Okay, I am requesting the groom and the bride. Nasi, sir? Surrender na. Surrender na si sir. Wala pa ganyan nagsugot. Okay, ma'am, Delita. A picture together with our officiating minister. After that, picture ng kabuto kami sa minister. Pwede na ako ni Kuwakam, sir? O, ano na ako ni Delita, ha?
Magpurog na ito ito, mama.
After this one, a photo opportunity by our newly wedded couple, and after that, a family ni bride. After sa family ni bride, proceed na sa family ni groom. Before we proceed to the family mismo, let's have the parents.
Nangigigigilig.
Yeah. Nana po ang groom. Sir, photo opportunity with the officiating minister. Okay, ready? Official photographer. Closer, sir. Dikit-dikit na kay kasal naman. Kasal. Yan. Oh, holding hands. Mangyari sa Okay. After this, parents ni groom. Parents ni groom. Asa ang parents ni groom? Ayun! Parents ni groom. Ayan. After this one, proceed ka sa parents ni bride. Okay, si ma'am lang isa.
Smile na. Na. Smile. Ding.
Okay, dili na lang sa mga ma'am. Proceed ka sa family ni groom. Okay, para dili magbalik-balik si ma'am. Family ni groom.
Yeah.
After this, family ni
Kuya.
bride. Okay, ready?